If you're a Linux user and you've been wondering whether Valorant works on your Linux, the short answer is no, at least not officially. Over the years, Linux gaming has improved a lot, thanks to the tools like Proton and Wine. Many games that were once exclusive to Windows can now run surprisingly well on Linux. Unfortunately, Valorant is one of the biggest exceptions. The main reason comes down to Riot's anti-cheat system, called Vanguard. Unlike most anti-cheat software, Vanguard operates at a very low system level and is designed specifically around Windows. It relies on access that Linux simply doesn't provide in the same way. Because of that, even if you manage to install a Valorant through compatibility tools, the game won't get very far. Vanguard detects that it's not running in supported environment and prevent the game from launching. As things stand today, there isn't a stable or reliable method to play Valorant directly on Linux. Every workaround that has been attempted eventually runs into the same anti-cheat restrictions. For most players who want to use Linux but still play Valorant, the common solution is dual booting. They keep Linux as their primary operating system and install Windows alongside it specifically for games that require Vanguard. It's not the most convenient setup, but until Riot provides official Linux support or changes how Vanguard works, Windows remains the only dependable way to play Valorant.